Okay, so let us do the last example for this section. What it says is, if the position function of a moving object is given by st, it is given as s of t equals to 1/7 cosine 60. You see that? Minus 1/5 sine 60. You want to find out the velocity and acceleration at t equals to pi over 4. So how do I find out the velocity? Velocity is the first derivative, right? And the acceleration is the second derivative. So what you do is v of t is the velocity is s prime of t. You find out the derivative of this one. So it is not cosine t, just cosine t, it is cosine 60. So you have to do the chain rule again. So this is like u, and you can think this is like a v, or both of them you can think as u because they are both same, right? So let us take u, both of them, because they are both same. So 1/7, you want to find the derivative of cosine u. What is that? It is negative sine u times the u prime minus 1/5 is there. What is the derivative of sine u? It is cosine of u times the u prime. So let's plug in back the value. Okay, what do you get? So this is negative 1/7 sine 60, because u is 60, times the derivative of u. What is the derivative of u prime? What is u prime? Derivative of 60 is just 6, right? Because this is a function of t. You are finding the derivative with respect to t. And then so yes, a minus 1/5, right? Cosine u is cosine 60. And what is the derivative of 60? It's just 6 again. So basically you got negative 6/7 sine 60, and then minus 6/5 cosine 60. But you want to find out at t equals to pi over 4, right? So at t equals to pi over 4. So let me find out acceleration, and I will plug in the values at t equals to pi over 4 at the end. Okay, so what is at? At means acceleration. That means v prime of t, right? You find out the derivative of that one. What do you get? Again, you have this as u and this as v, right? You can think that way. Okay, so what do you get? You get basically negative 6/7, right? And what is the derivative of sine u? Is cosine of u times u prime minus 6/5 times derivative of cosine v is negative. Oh, okay, let's do u. Negative sine u times u prime again. So what you get is negative 6/7 cosine of u is 60 times 6, right? And then minus a plus 6/5, because there is one minus here, another minus. So product is positive sine 60 times the derivative of u prime is again 6. So finally you get negative 6/7, right? So by the way, this is 36/7. You see that? Negative 36/7. Why? This is 6 times that. Cosine of 60. And then plus 36/5 sine of 60. So that's the velocity function of t and the acceleration function of t. Okay, but you want to find out at t equals to pi over 4, right? Pi over 4. So what is at? At is, sorry, let's find out vt first. So vt is, you need to plug in t equals to pi over 4. Okay, if you plug in t equals to pi over 4, you will get negative 6/7. So by the way, this is at pi equals t equals to pi over 4, right? So what will be v? V at t equals to pi over 4 is v pi over 4. You plug in t equals to pi over 4. 7 and then 6, sine 6 pi over 4 minus 6/5 cosine 6 pi over 4. And you use calculator to find out the answer, okay? So, and then similarly, a acceleration at pi over 4 will be negative 36/7 cosine pi over 4, okay? And then plus 36/5 sine 6 pi over 4, right? Oh, there is also 6 pi over 4. I forgot that. Cosine 6 times pi over 4. 6 times pi over 4. So if you use the calculator to find out these, you enter negative 6 over 7 sine 6 pi over 4 minus 6 over 5 cosine 6 pi over 4, you will get 6 over 7, okay? And then if you plug in that into the acceleration at t equals to pi over 4, if you enter this, negative 36 over 7 cosine 6 pi over 4 plus 36 over 5 sine 6 pi over 4, you will get negative 7.2. Okay guys, thank you.